Hello guys, and a party here, and all my other... See? Hey boys, it's your party! Or whatever. Yeah, I'm totally party. I'm a party. No! No! You must not leave our loaf. You must not leave our loaf. We found. You must not leave our. Whatever. Something spirit? Oh. He left our loaf. He left our loaf behind. And we're going down. We're going down. A ship West Moon with Julian too. I'm not an whatchamacallit, hater on a party. But I don't get notifications anymore that he's making vids. So I don't think he's making videos anymore. So I'm just a shit peeps. Oh my god, love that song. Mask on fluff is mask off. What? Mask on fluff? That's what you call it? It's a take it. Freedom hat. I want that so bad. I've always wanted a yellow neon. Oh my god, love that song. LOL. Whatever it's called. Hops. Who is in my den? Let's try you. It's gonna be you. Obviously. Let's go orange, white, move all the items. And then go my nerds. Get my nerds on. Done. Dance. Who are the peeps in my den? Who are the peeps in my den? Oh my god, this is scaring me. Must like May. Oh my god. These peeps are scaring me, dog. Who are the peeps in my den? Last few beats, I've been using this new screencast, and I might not go live anymore. Because I feel like this is way better than the live on the phone, because you can actually see the whole screen. Who are the peeps? Oh my god. That person tried to hack me last time. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you noticed in a couple of vids ago, maybe like 2, maybe 3. Why do I keep saying vids? It's videos. So, basically, at the end of the video, she said, "Buddy me now," or "Buddy me," and then, like, it ended, and then, right after that, she said, "Buddy me or I will hack you." And then, I didn't buddy her, and then, blue long wrist gone, black long gone, which I was saving to get a headdress, and I feel like it sucks. So right after that, I buddied her, and she's been following me around. And it's probably her that's entering me. Oh no, I changed. But I think that's just irrelevant. But beware of the Millie Lily 1 hacker. And then right after that, I had Sonic on her trade list. So, and then she probably gave it on the name. So, I didn't like that. So, who are the babes in my den? I ship with staring moon with joint. I know now. Oh my god, get away from me, dude. Get away from me, Millie. Lily. This person is straight out scary for me. I feel like I'm out because I'm a whole different animal. I'm so out. It's probably Millie Lily. She'll think Millie Lily is anything. But who knows, peeps? Let me see if I can find a way to mute this. Okay, I couldn't find a way. Supposedly it says it's already muted, but I know that's not true. Oh my god. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. And like on my first vid using this, again with the vid. I see the, like, I don't know if you can, I can't see it until the video comes out. And then, like, there's, like, this yellow and purple thing on my mouse, which I thought was pretty weird. Ew. Ew, because you're not wearing any items. Well, that's pretty odd. I always lose anyway. Oh, I did that. That doesn't get me anywhere. That doesn't get anyone anywhere. Oh, that looks so cute. Blossom is, what's Blossom? What Blossom? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. those shoes on the hands. They look so funny. What? Now we're doing simple. I have the entire look. Where is my horse? Oh my gosh, I better have my horse. Yeah. Okay, and that's why with this thing on my thing, that color, and then, no, and then that's that color, and then here's the straight blue eyes, steampunk monocle, and then I go with this sword. I call it. Sweet, I'm winning. That's if I shut up with that. I don't have a horse, then buy one. Buy one! Okay, we're down to 11 and 42 seconds. I don't like the dance on the horse. I think it's really hard. I've been doing videos all day, and yeah, I still haven't eaten breakfast. What up, Spinny Boys? I'm out. You're just doing the Spinny Boy thing? Stay swaggy, jam on. Good job. And now. Oh, me. I'm so out. Oh, not too bad. But that actually, you're using the same exact outfit from Wisteria Moon. And a party. But you just changed the colors. Hey, it's a Spinny Boy. No, you need to put the crown on the Spinny Boy. No, you need the crown. No, you need a crown. No, you need a crown. Spinny Boy. You are the king of them all. You are the king of them all. I'm sorry. It's about to end in like a couple seconds. Oh, well, he gone. No, he's right there. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted this color. I don't know. Can you guys help me on the thing? Dessert? My pet? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We ain't doing that. It has to be a bird and I don't want to be a bird. Look at my pet.